Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. On the 10th of March, 2025, the State of Idaho filed a response to the defendant's motion in limine number 8, and this is relative to unnoticed 404B evidence. And you can find this 8th motion in limine on the public docket dated the 24th of February 2025. And in a nutshell, what this in limine motion is asserting is concerns that the state may be seeking to introduce improper character evidence at trial. So what is the state responding to here? It indicates, comes now, the State of Idaho by and through the Latah County prosecuting attorney, and in response to the defendant's, quote, motion in limine number 8 regarding unnoticed 404B evidence, end quote, filed on February 24th, 2025, advises Court and Counsel that the state intends to comply with the application Idaho rules of evidence in regard to any proposed I.R.E, that's Idaho Rule of Evidence 404B evidence. So this is telling counsel. When you see the term counsel here, this means opposing counsel, specifically counsel to Mr. Koberger, and advising the court. That's Judge Stephen J. Hippler. He is the district court judge that is assigned to this case and that will be overseeing the matter at trial this summer. So they're coming forward and basically saying, we intend to comply with this rule of evidence. No need to worry, judge and opposing counsel. Respectively submitted this 10th day of March, 2025, William W. Thompson Jr., prosecuting attorney. Now, 2 points here. First, this is the second of 2 responses to motions in limine that the State of Idaho has filed very early. None of the responses are due until the 17th of March 2025, and this is pursuant to Judge Stephen J. Hippler's January 31st, 2025 order that amended the schedule for the briefings of the motions in limine that are set forth in the October 9th, 2024 pretrial and trial order. What had happened is that the parties together, the state and the defense, asked for a few more days, and the court granted that request. It was in a stipulation filed by the state and the defense on January 31st. And what that order said is that all of the motions in limine were now due on the 24th of February. The responses to motions in limine were due the 17th of March 2025. And the replies to the motions in limine were due and are due on March 24th, 2025, with the hearings scheduled to occur on April 9th and, if necessary, April 10th on everyone's motions in limine, those filed by the state and those filed by the defense. So very impressively, this is now the second early, by 1 full week, response to the other side's in limine motion. We reported in our last episode of this podcast series that the state filed its response to the 11th in limine motion a week early as well. So we're going to see if the defense will file a reply to this response, and if and when they do, we will, of course, keep you posted here at the Indie Zone podcast. Thanks for joining us here today.